A difficult start. First try came out black. I have been smoking meat for years, never black. You have to ease back a bit, but all in all great product. Flavor was straight through in the chicken. Highly recommend this product. Straight up wood sawdust, great for growing wood-loving fungi. We got these for a new pizza oven we got, that runs on wood pellets. I got oak because I was mainly interested in the heat and not so much the flavor. They burned well, once the fire was running. Oven presses tech like a jet stove, they burn smoke-free, and burned fairly hot. True, I am at the top of tay bag, but I have seen no sawdust. Only problem we noticed was the weird stuff that came off the burning oak, like some kind of tar. Neighbor said it was creosote, but I doubt that. Smelly funky, like something bad burning. But it did not seem to affect the taste of the pizzas we made. It did leave a mess on what was a brand new stainless steel oven. I bought the hickory and loved the taste. I only buy this brand for my Louisiana Grills pellet smoker. Our turkey was even better this year thanks to these pellets and brine. Everyone complimented us on our turkey this Thanksgiving. Thanks again, Traeger. Does a great job of smoking cheeses. Want to try it on meats too? I have used the Traeger blend pellets and hickory. The oak is by far the best. It produced such a good, clean smoke. My brisket came out great and flavorful. I've been using my Traeger for many years now, and this was my first time using this Texas blend for brisket. Wow, highly recommended. Gave the brisket a nice smoke ring and bark. I didn't wrap. Taste was fantastic, yet didn't have that sharp acidic smoke bite like I got in the past when doing long duration smokes of large cuts of beef. Definitely try the Texas blend for your next beef rib, brisket, tri-tip. Click link in description for more reviews.